This 2008 Toyota Corolla 4D is a Phantom on-the-road Phantom Grey. Great features included a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo, automatic, 4SPD with overdrive, CD, single disc, dual airbags, power door locks, power steering, power windows, and tilt wheel. You will be a happy second owner to this Carfax certified one-owner vehicle. Everyone here at Miller Toyota of Anaheim wants you to have the very best car buying experience possible. We demand excellence from our vehicles and excellence from ourselves. Please come visit us and take one of our vehicles for a test drive. You deserve the courtesy, knowledge, and caring that only Miller Toyota can provide. Miller Toyota of Anaheim is proud to serve people from all over Southern California. Our valued customers live in Orange County, Los Angeles County, and Riverside County, including the cities of Los Angeles, Orange, Irvine, Corona, Long Beach, Carson, Huntington Beach, Cerritos, Downey, Buena Park, Yorba Linda, Bree, Garden Grove, La Habra, Fullerton, Costa Mesa, Whittier, West Covina, and Covina.